Hello everyone, Miss Pam here at the Champaign County Library, and I wanted to show you this month's preschool through second grade Grab and Go Scarecrow Craft. Now this craft is a pretty basic one. What you're going to need to do, you're going to start with your paper plate, and we went ahead and strung it for you so it's ready to hang when you're all finished. And the first thing you're going to do, you're going to glue on your smile right there on the bottom of your plate. Next, you're going to put a little bit of glue on your cheeks and the second one, and you're going to attach them right there on the smile. Now next, you're going to take and add some glue onto the nose. Do you know what shape that is? That's right, it's a triangle. And next, we are going to add the eyes, and we have two of those, of course. Here's one, and here's the second one. Now it's your choice. You can make them like this. You can tilt them sideways. You can make them be silly, whatever you want to do. I think I'll put mine on like that today. Now next, you have a yellow piece of paper, and what you need to do is cut this up because this is going to become the scarecrow's hair, I guess we'll call it. Now I've already done that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start gluing these on. You're going to add some glue to them. Make sure you put a lot of glue. I'm just doing a fast job here today. I'm going to attach that one there. I think I'm going to add another one maybe over here. And how about some small ones? Let's put one right here in between the eyes. And maybe a couple more. One over here. And maybe add one right there. That looks pretty good to me for now. Next, we're going to glue on the hat. So what you need to do is add lots of glue all along the bottom of the hat. And you're going to attach it to the top where the hair is. I'm going to put mine kind of hanging sideways. I kind of like that. And there you go. You have a scarecrow to hang up and enjoy this fall. So stop into the library and pick up your Grab and Go Scarecrow Craft while supplies last. Thanks everybody. Have a happy fall.